Alright. Welcome back to another morning stream. If you guys are new here, in the morning we come in, take a look at the price action, see what price did during the overnight session, see what we can do going into that New York session. So let's take a look at some of these levels, see what we got. We start out on the higher time frame, so we'll take a look at the 4 hour first here. So 4 hour, as you can see, tapped into this fair value gap right there last night and saw a nice rejection out of it, and we haven't displaced it since. And price also tapped into the previous daily high, swept the previous daily high. Now price is trading below that previous daily high, so that was one of those levels that we were watching. We're also watching that Sunday opening. So price, you can see, came back into that Sunday open and then rejected back down. So this level is going to be important. We could possibly look for this 4 hour fair value gap on the downside right here at 24,775, just to see if they want to retrace it into here. And let me see. Good morning. Here. To the 4 hour FHE above and tap the 1550. Yeah, price here also tapped the 1550 EMA, which is good trend energy for us given. Still below it, we could see to the downside still. So here below we have an FHE. So this fair value gap I think should be important here. If price comes back down, we can potentially tap into this fair value gap right there and go from there. See if we even want to do that, right? Let's see and then we'll drop down to the hourly time frame. So on the hourly, we're looking at same thing, right? If you were with us last night, we kind of talked about potentially seeing this playing out, right? As a little head and shoulders with a retest within somewhere within this area. So right now, price swept the previous daily high, right? So potentially looking here, given that the PDH has been swept, looking for a retest of the previous days. So we could be looking for a retest for previous days 50% at, what is this? 24,613. So, and then if price goes below that level, we can be looking for the previous daily low, which would give us that outside day, right? Currently, we are also fighting this, looks like this hourly fair value gap over here up above us. So if price cannot get through this hourly fair value gap above, could be looking for a potential turnaround, maybe somewhere into here. There's a volume imbalance right there that we could be watching for, or should be watching for. Volume imbalance there, previous low right here. So let's see where this thing takes us. So fair value gap and currently pushing away from an hourly FEG above combined with the Sunday opening level. We have a volume imbalance set. There's our volume imbalance here. And they love to fill those. On the 15-minute, we could be watching here. That's a solid reversal. 15-minute looks solid, just to continue to at least sweep that previous 4 hour low there. Potential for coming back, maybe retesting this New York AM opening before that reversal back to the downside. Solid liquidities on the downside here as well. So let's see where they go with these. So it's gushing to the downside so far. Yeah, 5-minute solid SFP there. Could be looking for a sweep of those liquidities. Think I'm mostly going to focus on those higher time frames for right now and see how the rest of this plays out going into that New York session. Otherwise, that is it. That's all I got on the day. So thank you guys for watching. Thank you for tuning in. As always, go check out Mr. Haste. Go check us out on Twitter at the Paper Traders. And that will do it. Peace out.